We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
You guys, I think I know why the whole market crashed. Trump didn't get the Nobel Peace Prize that he wanted so bad. He got so mad and dropped a 100% tariff bomb on China. And the meeting that was supposed to happen later this month, cancelled. He probably wanted to make some money again and shorted the whole market before that tweet. Yeah, 100% tariffs, 100% meltdown.
It's finished, boys. This is my last video you'll see. Crypto is a scam. This whole thing is a whole big Ponzi scheme. Sell everything, get the hell out of the markets. I just sold everything. I'm just going to return the car as well. Gotta go return the car, get my money back, and stick to my 9 to 5 because crypto is a fucking Ponzi scheme. See how manipulated this shit is? Like, if you're still in a break-even level, if you're still somewhat in profit, just sell everything. Get the hell out of the markets. This is my final video. If you've followed me, you can unfollow me now. If you've been following the journey, thank you, but I'm out. Sold everything, accepted the losses. Just gonna go to the 9 to 5. Let me return the car today and then... Anyways, crypto is a whole big scam, and I'm one of the first people to admit that.
You guys, today might just be the darkest day in crypto history. Over 1.6 million traders got liquidated. $15 billion gone in 24 hours. Stocks crashed, crypto nuked, and gold pumped. Bitcoin down almost 20%. Some altcoins even went to fucking zero. At first, I thought World War III was getting started. But nope, it's just Trump being Trump again. Okay, here's what happened. So the China's Ministry of Commerce quietly dropped a new rule limiting rare earth exports. The key materials for chips, EVs, even missiles. Trump saw that and lost it. He jumped on Truth Social called China hostile and sneaky and announced 100% tariffs starting November 1st. So, of course, traders freaked out about inflation, global supply chains, and a potential trade war. And because the market was loaded with over-leveraged longs, Trump's tariff tweet was a final domino triggering a massive liquidation chain across every exchange. So yeah, maybe Trump didn't win the Nobel Peace Prize, but he sure won the Global Liquidation Award. Alright, let me know the income section.
Down to 66% down. Down to 1700. Fuck! I must be down about 30. It's just plummeted again. 33% down on my crypto portfolio. What are you buying, Jack? What's the new? 68%.
I don't even really know what to do.
Check my finance. Don't think about it. I'm minus 70%.
Allow any buying at the moment.
I know. Minus 3 minutes. Fuck. Oh. Wiped out 700 billion in market value on the S&P, obviously futures trading.
Is that a lot?
I need some money now.
How did somebody make $190 million while everyone else was losing their shirts yesterday? If you don't know, there was one of the biggest crashes we've ever seen in crypto. And someone came in 24 hours before and started placing shorts against the market. Short is just when you bet that the underlying asset is going to go down in price and you will make money on that. Now, this all started October 9th at 1639 GMT time. They start accumulating this Bitcoin short. They initially put, and this is not chump change, guys. This isn't under your couch, pennies. This is $80 million that initially gets deposited, and they start placing shorts against Bitcoin. Okay? That's fine. Now, the amount is unusual, but that itself is not the unusual part. Then we have Ethereum starts to get shorted at 349 GMT. Interesting. $30 million gets deposited into this account. Immediately start placing major bets that the market is going to go down. Why is this significant? Well, because at 14:57, this is only a few hours later, like 12 hours later, Trump posts on Truth Social that they are calculating a massive increase on Chinese tariffs. This is due to a rare earth mineral dispute. But the point is, nobody knew this was coming, except, of course, maybe this guy, because he's already got these multi-million-dollar shorts.
Did someone or a group of people know what Donald Trump was going to tweet? How manipulated is the crypto market?
Guys, that is the question that we're gonna ask ourselves. How did this guy know? And also, is Maga being brainwashed? Because what has happened in the crypto space in the past week is not something that you can take easily. So many people have lost their wealth or their wallets because of this unpredictable or volatile tendency that no one even anticipated. But look, some people benefited from it. I think some MAGA people are not ready to face the truth, because even despite Donald Trump having spoken in the market, they still wanna follow him blindly. And today we're gonna talk about the crypto space and also how MAGA seems to be brainwashed and following like their cult leader. Just a lot of things that are happening in that MAGA space, and people are not even opening their eyes to see that they are being played. Starting from a family of a politician having meme coins and people are trying to invest in meme coins. You know, I expected people engage themselves in trading, like let's say 90% of them being so witty and high IQ people. But if you're investing in a Melania coin or Trump coin, whatever that shit is, then you must be having a problem somewhere. These are not the type of investments to make. How can you trust a politician on that? Look, he's telling you you're gonna make so much money, yet he's the one causing uncertainty in the market, and he's doing it to favor. I know this person who won 190 million is a close accomplice. What are the odds that they announce Baron Trump's net worth having raised, and even Trump's family net worth having raised in the past week, and this happening? And what are the chances of Trump announcing that is gonna increase tariffs on China and someone making a lot of money, and so much people losing a lot of money? Is crypto becoming one of those pyramid schemes once again? This is the question that we're gonna ask ourselves. And what is the future of traders who lost in this market? Are they going to continue investing their money in such coins, or are they gonna be done for good? But before that, let's continue listening to even more opinions and more crash out of people who lost their monies, and also those people who wanted to invest in these markets. Is crypto becoming a scam? Stick around and let's answer it in this segment.
I got shocked with this update of crypto. Like, bro, it is totally crashed. And I'm just wondering, like, how all of these politicians, like how all of these high-end people are earning like trillions of money by just manipulating our money. You know, they're just putting us into the tip of the finger and just rolling us around, and they're making trillions of money just in a single night. Have you seen like Donald Trump's son has about $135 million just in 2025, and he just started. And I was wondering when Donald Trump is gonna go out of his position in 2028. Up until at that moment, how much like his son's gonna make, how much he's gonna manipulate. And today was like big crash, bro. Like if you earn like $10,000 in crypto, you are probably down to 3,000 to 3,500 at this point. And all of these market are just getting sucked up. They're just getting manipulated. Not even the crypto market, all about the shares, the financial advisors and stuff like that. It is up. So the only thing that I learned this time is just be patient. Have some patience, and probably that's all we can do. We can't sell and we can't buy either, because we don't know what's going to happen. Anyways, best of luck.
Baron Trump has made $80 million in crypto, and the majority of this is from being an insider. The craziest part is, after doing extensive research, I've tracked down his exact wallet, and there's something huge happening. He started buying a lot of this token, Q4. If you don't believe me, you can even go and check for yourself. Go into the top holders of Q4 on Deck Screener, and you'll see a wallet with Baron in the name. He is literally the son of Donald Trump, so I think he knows something that we don't. And also, Trump himself is hinting at Q4 all the time. So with Trump's son being the top holder of Q4 on Solana, and Trump himself continuously dropping hints about this token, I don't think we should sleep on this here. This is going a lot higher in my opinion. The last time Trump even tweeted about a coin, it made 525 millionaires in less than 24 hours. Do not sleep on this coin. I'll leave the contract address in the comments down below. As always, this is not financial advice, this is only my opinion. Please do your own research and invest responsibly.
The biggest sell-off in crypto history happened this weekend. Billions of dollars wiped off the market, people losing huge amounts of money depending on how much they invested in crypto. It could be even worse than we know because a lot of the platforms haven't put their numbers out yet. What triggered it was Donald Trump announcing that he is going to double tariffs on Chinese imports. That made some investors worry that their money wasn't safe, so they took it out. Prices started falling, but the way the market works is that various funds that were betting on crypto to rise suddenly started closing their positions and selling off. So it made the sell-off much more dramatic than anything we've seen before. Where it goes from here is anyone's guess, but if there are more things to make more people nervous about the price of crypto and the price falls again, then there will be these very sudden, sharp movements that you get in crypto and you don't necessarily get in the stock market, for example, because it's not as leveraged, as it were.
So there you go. That is what the different speakers had for us today. And it seems, guys, like the road to having generational wealth for us youths or Gen Zs is gone. Even I myself was planning to make huge investments on things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and these famous coins, not like those meme coins, but yeah, coins, you know. Also, these established coins were affected highly by the announcement that Donald Trump made during the weekend, and it just proves to be unsafe. To me, it seems like the crypto market is really influenced by these prominent figures, and the guy who won, or the guy who made that 190 million, I know is gonna be known before the end of the month. I know people who are going to investigate and want to know who that person is. I'm not gonna be shocked if it's someone who is close to Donald Trump or Barron or just someone in the Maga camp. The ones who are affected, the Maga supporters who are affected, who have invested in these coins, are the ones who are losing, and yet again they still praise the president for the achievements that he's made. Oh, the president has made so much money. He's become a multi-billionaire within a short time. He's building golf courses across the world. Oh, and if you think I'm joking, go and see Kai Trump's recent video with Donald Trump and how those golf courses are and how many members these people are racking up in these courses. And it's just a silent investment that people would even not notice right now. Look at what he's doing with the Saudi project, wanting to, is it the Saudi airport or something of the sort? He's trying to bring it in America, but in that, I know he's gonna get something in it. And according to him, when they say Donald Trump is a businessman, I accept he is a businessman because of what he is actually doing in his currency. He's using people, he's using the support to get himself where he wants to be, and people are propelling him at a faster rate. Imagine if that is just barely a year. What will happen in the next 3 years? We just have to ask ourselves that. The issue of tariffs, man. I think tariffs has been used as a weapon, and it's not used to make America great again. It's actually used to make Maga great again. The Maga camp, not the America, but Maga camp. Not even the whole Maga camp. It's just the people at the top, and the people at the bottom are left to suffer, and yet they continue cheering on. Look, today we're being told that there's a deal arrived at, or the tariffs have been reduced, and then just a single announcement just starts the market, and that's it. Some people are benefiting from the announcements. And how does someone know how to place these things? Just moments. Even they can't even hide it. At least this person could have deposited last month. People wouldn't know. I know this person was doing it because of the audacity they have. They know nothing can happen to them. And maybe it's within the books to do so. But is that genuine? And I know right now, so many people who had invested in such coins are going to withdraw their monies and leave. When such things happen, there should be a calm. Because there should be a calm before. There should be a calm after a storm. Or is it before a storm? I just know in the crypto space or in the trading market, when something like this happens, people need to stay calm and wait for what happens the next. You don't know, maybe the market can shoot and go up just like the way it went down. But just because so many people don't know so much about the crypto world or the trading space, they're gonna panic even more and just withdraw their monies in there. I think the trading world is gonna be hit with investors who are gonna run away, and I know they are gonna join, maybe let's say in 6 months time they're gonna come back, but most of them are gonna run away. And I think for those people who have balls and guts, this is the right time to invest into the market. And just like the other guy said, it's not a financial advice, it's just a speculative one where you can break even or gain or even lose again. You just never know. It's painful, man. And I think I know someone right now has lost everything they have. Even someone might have even lost over $10 million just because of what happened in the market. And because it's a weekend, not so many people expect the market to crash at that time. Maybe someone would get gone to a vacation, maybe someone was just playing golf somewhere, maybe someone was attending a football match, rugby, maybe someone had visited a different continent just to, relax and having a peace of mind knowing that you have millions of dollars in your account. And then from wherever you are, you log into social media and see whatever is happening. I know that kind of panic, man. It makes you just book the next flight and go back home. The fact that people are not calling out Donald Trump and Maga entourage is just funny to me. It's like people are just willing to accept defeat, or people are willing to check the laws just because their leader is gaining. And that is some sort of brainwashing to me, because how do you explain that? It's insane. Look, the Maga supporters were promised that the Epstein list was going to be released. That shit hasn't been released. How are you gonna trust this person by buying their coin? How are you gonna trust this person by buying their very own coin? It's so unrealistic, man. Anyways, that's just about it. It has made me wonder all the weekend, like when this was happening. At first I thought it was a joke when I saw the news that the crypto world is crashing. And then I went and saw the charts and oh my god, man, the fall, bro. The fall was like someone standing on the cliff and just throwing themselves down to abyss. You can see even from different reactions, it's really tough. Are the Maga supporters really brainwashed? That's the questions that I'm gonna pose to you guys. To me, I think they are. What do you think? Also, do you think the crypto market is gonna recover from this? Is crypto becoming a Ponzi or a pyramid scheme, or is it a market that is here to stay and is a legitimate market? Is Donald Trump having a negative influence in the trading world and a crypto space, or is he actually making people to be millionaires? Is America becoming great because of tariffs, or is it just being used as a tool to manipulate the markets? You let me know in the comment section down there below, and even if you have different opinions or something to add, please do so in the comment section down there below. I invite you, please don't be shy. Your contribution would be really insightful. Also, don't forget to go and check the creators that are featured in this video today. Go on to their TikToks, follow their accounts, like their videos. For this video today, make sure you smash a huge thumbs up button, consider subscribing, turn on post notifications so that you may not miss my next upload. And with that, guys, Danny here, signing out. Peace.